Hello all, I am happy to announce that YouTube has sent us a silver award of YouTube Play button, and in this video, I am going to unbox it. This is the main parcel box which has come all the way from United States. I personally thank YouTube for recognizing our channel. Let's slowly open it up. Oh, we have another box inside. This is the official appreciation letter from YouTube CEO. I am overwhelmed to see it, and it will definitely have special place in my life. Guess, this is the small template to provide information on YouTube awards. And here is our silver YouTube Play button. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful, isn't it? It has laser engraved YouTube Play button with our channel name printed on it. I just did this video to share my happiness with all of you, and also I would like to dedicate this award to all my viewers. Without your support, it was definitely not possible. Thank you all for your continued support and love. Stay happy and stay safe.